Tecaris Plus Video Manual Program and Anatomical Mode Operation Switching on the unit. Hold the change standby key for 3 seconds to blank the display and put the unit into standby mode. Press the change standby key again to restart the unit. Choose from 3 modes of operation: Anatomical Mode, Program Mode, or Manual Mode. Starting the treatment in Program Mode. Select the applicator and active electrode appropriate for the mode. Select and connect a proper passive electrode and place it on the patient's body. Select Program Mode. Select preset sequences. Select the sequence from the list using the knob or the navigation bar. Remember to apply the proper amount of RF therapy cream. To start the treatment, press the selected sequence on the touchscreen, the Start-Stop key, or the OK button. To calibrate the active electrode, apply it to the patient's body and wait for the sound signal to stop. Set the power level with the knob. Information shown on the display during the treatment in Program Mode. Sequence name. Indicator of the level of contact between the electrode and the patient's body. Indicates the optimal positioning of the electrode. Current delivered to the patient at a particular time, value given in milliamperes. Power delivered to the patient at a particular time. The more power, the more filled the indicator is. Set power level. The higher, the more filled the indicator is. Total treatment time. Calculated from the start of the treatment. Effective treatment time. Calculated only under conditions of good contact between the electrode and the patient's body. Sequence stage indicator. Divided into as many parts as there are sequence stages. While working in Program Mode, one can edit the duration of each stage of the sequence. In between stages, a message will appear that the stage has been completed and that the electrode needs to be changed. You can enter the sequence preview using the proper button. Preview of the encyclopaedic guide. Select Program Mode. Select preset sequences. Select the sequence from the list. Press the Information button to enter the parameter preview for the sequence. Use the knob or the touchscreen to scroll through the content and familiarize yourself with the parameters and descriptions of the sequence stages. Press the Body button to view the illustrations and animations for the sequence. Press the proper button to return to the sequence description window. Start the treatment by pressing the Start-Stop key or the OK button on the touchscreen. Functions in Program Mode. In program mode, you can search for a sequence by name by pressing the search button and entering the sequence name. In program mode, you can select a favorite sequence by pressing the star next to the name of the selected sequence. Pressing the star in the secondary menu enters the list of favorite sequences. You can sort the positions in alphabetical order by pressing the proper button. You can also group the preset sequences by medical fields. Changes in the presentation of the sequence can be made in the settings. Anatomical mode. Select the anatomical mode. Select the part of the body where the patient's problem occurs. Select the proper sequence from the list by using the knob or by pressing the selected position. Press the information button to enter the parameter preview for the sequence. View the treatment methodology and illustrations just as when working in program mode. Start the treatment using the Start-Stop key or the OK button. The treatment is performed in the same way as in program mode.